Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed turns into a delicious vegetable?
Then today is the perfect day to begin.
Wait, are we really doing it?
Yes, we are planting our first spring garden together.
Good soil matters too.
What is it?
This soil is much harder than I expected.
So, can we still do it?
Maybe. But this might be harder than we thought.
Now it feels serious.
First, gloves.
These gloves are too big. Ugh.
They still look better on you than mud. Winter really left a mess behind.
Yes. This is winter debris.
Is that garden debris? Or your old mess?
I think it is a little of both.
Still too hard?
Yes.
There are stones in the bed?
More than I hoped.
Then we remove them.
All of them?
What if this spot is not good enough?
Then we make it good enough.
It already looks better.
Yes. It is finally getting softer.
Oh, it moved. Good. That means we are winning.
It is not bad. It is not straight.
That is not the same thing.
Slow hands help.
My hands were fast.
I noticed.
Small rows. Small spaces. I saw them. At the last second. Now it feels real. Yes!
Now we can plant.
Yeah! Finally! The fun part!
Do not ruin the fun part. All right, these are our choices.
They look so bright.
They look small. Small things can still do a lot.
I hope so. We worked very hard for this little bed.
Oh no! Not the seeds. That is bad. I did not even hit it hard.
The seeds are everywhere.
And now we have birds.
Hey,
No! Those are ours!
clap your hands. Move them back.
Get the packets. I am trying.
Why do birds always come at the worst time?
They are eating our future vegetables.
Not if we move faster than they do.
Pick up only the packets first.
The mint is still here.
Good. Tell the birds to respect private property.
Go away! You finally helped. Finally! I was always helping.
This is not your best moment.
But this is a better one.
We need to see what is safe.
Ooh.
Some seeds are still inside.
But not all of them. I am sorry. I know.
I only wanted to look.
You always want to look with your whole body.
It was a mistake.
A big mistake.
Yes, but we still have seeds.
Then we stay calm and think clearly.
This one is half open.
Ooh.
The carrots are still all right.
What about the radishes?
Some are safe. Some are gone.
The birds took the fast team first.
Even the birds know you talk too much. Can we still plant them? Yes. Yes.
We may just have less now.
Look, like this.
I know.
No. Really look.
Okay.
Small seeds, slow hands. You sound like Dad.
That means it is good advice. No more table.
Yes.
Yes. From now on,
Open one packet at a time. And only above the row. And far away from birds.
very far away from birds.
They are still looking at us.
Then we plant before they invite more friends.
Come on.
Fast now?
Careful fast.
Look closely. This is where all our work becomes something real.
Small things do not need to look important to become important later.
That is all? I thought seeds would look a little more impressive than tiny crumbs. That is because you only respect things that look dramatic. Oh no. That is far too many, and now they are all sitting on top of each other.
All right. Nobody panic. We are not losing the garden over one bad handful.
Maybe radishes like company, and I accidentally made them very happy.
Wait. Hands still. The wind just made a small problem look bigger.
You help by staying calm and watching carefully. We can still fix this if nobody rushes now.
This one is carrots. I checked it before, and I am checking it again because today I do not trust anything light. Please stay there. I am asking politely because I really do not want to chase paper around this yard again. Hold on. The wind is back. I got it!
Got it. Good. This time you were faster than the problem.
No. Not again.
Keep your eyes on it. Do not guess where it went. Follow it.
By the fence. It dropped there. I saw it. I found this one, but it is not the one I was worried about.
And the other one? That is the one we needed most.
I do not want to guess, but I think it was this one, and I do not like how weak that sounds.
You think? I need something better than that because these rows all look too similar now. Wait. I remember where I dropped too many seeds. That row made everybody stare at me. It was here. Yes, that is right. I remember the row, and I remember your face, too.
Good. One bad moment is helping us now. I will take useful truth from any place I can get it.
This time the labels stay, because this time I am not asking the wind for permission.
I hope the rain waits until tomorrow, because today this garden has tested us enough.
That sky does not look friendly. It looks like it already knows where our garden lives. All right, everyone, time to head in. Oh, dear, come on. Hurry, kids. Race you to the door. Whoa, look at it fall.
Inside, quick.
It is heavier than I wanted, and I do not like how long it has been falling.
Morning will tell us what survived the night. Right now, all we can do is wait and watch.
That is too much water. The whole bed looks heavier than yesterday.
It looks terrible. Please tell me it only looks terrible and is not actually terrible.
That was the carrot row. Of course it was the carrot row. Did the seeds wash away? Or are they still under there trying to breathe?
The top is packed tight. I can feel it already, and I am barely touching it.
This side took the hardest rain. That does not mean it is lost, but it does mean we cannot pretend it is fine.
What do we do now if touching it can make it worse and waiting feels just as bad?
We wait. I know that is the most frustrating answer, but right now it is still the right one.
I hate that answer because it never sounds lazy, but it always feels useless. I do not like leaving it like this. It feels like we are walking away while it still needs help. What if nothing grows there, and we keep waiting for something that already lost?
Then we face that when it comes. We do not lose twice by deciding the ending too early.
Still nothing. I am looking so hard that the soil should feel guilty by now.
Looking harder will not help. If staring worked, this whole bed would already be green.
Sunshine helps. Water helps. Time helps. The hard part is that none of them move faster because we are worried.
Time is the worst one, and I still feel bad about that row every time I stand here.
I still feel bad about shouting at you. I was scared, and it came out sharper than I meant it to.
Then maybe this little garden is teaching both of you at the same time, and maybe that matters more than either of you likes.
Do not say wait like that unless you really saw something. They came. I knew they were not gone. Okay, I hoped they were not gone.
I think these are the radishes. They came up quickly, exactly like fast little survivors.
But that row is still empty, and now it looks even emptier next to this one.
The rain may have packed this row too tightly. Slow is not the same as gone, but I know this still feels hard.
I do not want to touch it. My hands still remember that other row, and I do not trust them yet. Come on, carrots. You do not have to impress us. You just have to show up.
Come here right now!
The carrots? Are you serious? Please tell me this is the carrot row.
The carrots. Slow, late, stubborn carrots. But carrots all the same.
Fast is not the only good thing. Sometimes slow things are just taking their time to be right.
Our first spring garden. It gave us trouble, worry, and much more work than I expected. But I still love looking at it.
It really did give us a lot of trouble. I think even the birds had an easier week than we did.
It started with hard soil, then crooked rows, then flying labels, and after that I stopped trusting anything small and light.
Then too much rain, then too much waiting, and honestly, the waiting was the part I respected the least.
And still, here it is, small, alive, and worth every difficult day that came before this one.
I thought the hard soil would be the biggest problem because it was the first thing that fought us, and it looked impossible at the start.
I thought it was the rain, because that was the moment everything felt out of our hands and out of our control.
I thought it was me, which, to be fair, was not a completely unreasonable theory.
Sometimes it really was you, but at least now you know the difference between helping fast and helping well.
That is fair. A painful sentence, but a fair one.
You still helped, even on the days when you also made everything harder. That counts more than you think.
That also happens in real work. People help, make a mess, learn, then help better. That is one of the oldest stories in the world.
I think the strange part is that this little bed feels bigger now than it did when it was only empty dirt.
Funny thing, after all that weather, all those mistakes, and all that waiting, it still started with something so small we almost laughed at it.
And then it asked us for patience every single day until we finally had to become the kind of people who could give it.
Too much patience. A suspicious amount of patience. But yes, it was worth it.
We grew it together.